Hello, thank you. Now we are your hosts for this evening. And yeah man, just to get some formalities out of the way before we bring in the bridal party and the bride and groom. In case you need to go to the toilets are to the left, men's to the right of the left, women's to the right of the right. Yeah, so you just come out this door, yeah, there you go. Very straight. Ladies' toilets is on the right, gents on the left. It's quite easy. In case there's a fire, you know, one of these candles, orderly fashion, one by one, just run after me. So just after I've gone, you guys will now follow. Now, in case of a fire, please find your nearest exit and make your way upstairs. Yes. So, without further ado, we're going to invite now the important people of tonight. Outside people, we haven't forgotten. People that are outside, make some noise. Okay. Anyway, let's keep it moving.